Hi everyone, this video is going to show you how to convert a Google Slide into a Smart Notebook. I'm going to take you through the steps, especially the very crucial step to make sure that when it converts, your pictures face the correct way so that you don't have to end up rotating each of the Smart Notebook slides. So what you're first going to do is you're going to open up the Google Slide that you want to convert into a Smart Notebook. So I'm going to be doing an independent practice that I had my students do for VMath. The next step is you're going to print. Depending on how many slides there are, it might take longer to generate the print. Once you're in print, you're going to go to Destination. Under Destination, I already have Send to Smart Notebook, but if you did not have this as an option, you would select See More. And in See More, these are all the other printers that are or destinations that are available to you. So what you're going to click is Send to Smart Notebook. Now here's the important step, so you don't have to worry about rotating the pictures on each Google slide, or sorry, each Smart Notebook slide. So after you hit Send to Smart Notebook, you're going to click More Settings. Under More Settings, you're going to scroll down and you're going to click Print Using System Dialog. Because this is a Smart Notebook, you're going to focus on the orientation. Since your Google Slides are landscape, you're going to want the orientation as well to be landscape. Once you have switched the orientation to landscape, you hit Print. Now again, depending on how many slides there are, it's going to take Smart Notebook that much time to convert it from a Google Slide to a Smart Notebook. So what we're going to do is we're just going to wait for that to load. So the great thing about this while we're waiting for this to load is that anytime you're working in class and you have a Google Slide and you're seeing that your students are participating and you want to put notes on these slides, but you know that if you're writing with a marker on the Google Slide, it won't save. So what you can do is print it to Smart Notebook so it can convert it for you and you can continue working on it. All right, now that it has loaded, you can now see that it has converted my Google Slide into a Smart Notebook as well as rotating it for me to that landscape mode. The next important step as always is when you have, this is an image, anytime you have an image, you want to go to the drop-down menu and hit Lock in Place. That way when you're writing on it, your students are writing on it or using whatever part of this picture that it does not move and that you're able to write and erase. If you have any further questions or if you still need help troubleshooting how to convert Google Slides into Smart Notebooks, please do not hesitate to reach out.